Inter Miami CF will look to continue their strong start to the 2025 MLS season on Sunday, when they visit Atlanta United at Mercedes-Benz Stadium on match day. Miami has had a busy start to the 2025 campaign, taking on 3 MLS matches and 4 games in the CONCACAF Champions Cup, only dropping a result once with a 2-2 draw against New York City FC on MLS opening day. In the Champions Cup, the Herons made quick work of Sporting Kansas City and Jamaica's Cavalier FC, advancing to the quarterfinals against LAFC. In MLS, they enter Sunday's clash riding a 2-game win streak, having beaten the Houston Dynamo and Charlotte FC. After 3 games, they sit second in the Eastern Conference on 7 points, while Atlanta sits 11 on 4. Although the results have gone Miami's way, discipline has been an issue in their league games. Through 3 match days, head coach Javier Mascherano's team has been shown a red card in each match, but have navigated the issues through skilled attacking play and a possession-focused approach. For Sunday, the club will need to turn to third choice, goalkeeper Rocco Rios Novo, with number 1 goalkeeper Drake Callender still recovering from an injury, and backup starter Oscar Ustari, suspended after last week's red card. Will Lionel Messi help Inter Miami find revenge? Yet all eyes will be on Lionel Messi, and whether the veteran Argentine will feature in the match, having not played in the club's last 2 MLS matches before scoring in a substitute appearance in the Champions Cup win midweek in Jamaica. The idea was that he play 30-35 minutes in Jamaica to have good feelings again. In the end, we were able to find the time to do it well, Mascherano told reporters in Spanish on Friday. We tried to take away from the overload Messi had so that it wouldn't go further than that. We tried to handle it in the best way. Luckily, we were able to control it and that it didn't turn into an injury or much more. Latte Lath has failed to score in his last 2 matches, but found the net twice on his debut in a 3-2 win over CF Montreal. However, he is questionable to play, having entered concussion protocol during last week's 0-0 draw with the New York Red Bulls. With 2 of the most expensive teams in MLS battling it out, Sunday will present a fun match as Atlanta hopes to extend its all-time lead over Miami. Since Miami joined MLS in 2020, Atlanta has won 7 games between the 2 teams, while Miami has won 6. The 2 sides have split 4 games in draws. Fans can catch Sunday's match on Apple TV's MLS Season Pass. Kickoff is set for 7:00 p.m. ET.